Hello class, this is Professor Creek. And this is MBA 5750 Strategic Management. In this video, we'll go over a little bit about course navigation. So right now, you've probably clicked Start Here. Good place to start. So there's a couple of videos in there. There's also a note about the course being asynchronous, meaning we're not going to have live lecture. But with that said, if you want to email me a time to set something up in Skype or Zoom, I'm happy to meet with you online virtually. So some course technology requirements, some institutional resources. This should be something you've seen in all your other courses so far. I did want to mention an announcement forum. Check into this periodically, a couple of times a week at least. I'll be using this to just post announcements, some of which you'll get via email as well, but you should be checking into here also. Course map, that will open a Word document that shows you every module and what to expect within every module. So there'll be some learning objectives within those, there'll be some assignments within those. So familiarize yourself with that and also the course syllabus before you dive into any of the actual modules, which are listed here below. The last thing is the question and answer forum. And of course you can email me anytime, but this Q&A forum is really helpful if your question is something that might be useful for the whole class. So if you think, perhaps there might be some other students with this same question, just post it in this forum and I'll answer it. If you know the answer to a question, feel free to jump in as well. I'll try to check in here at least once a day to answer any questions you might have. And then everything below that point is the actual modules. So there's 8 modules total throughout this course. Each module will last for a 2-week period. I've designed these modules to be completed in the order they appear. And so, for example, if we go down here to Module 4, you can click on Overview. Each module has an overview. Get a quick idea of what learning objectives will be knocked out in this module, what graded activities do I need to complete, and then you can actually get into the work, which again is designed to be done in order. So the first thing you do is read Chapter 6 in your book, watch a video I've created on a QSPM, which is from Chapter 6, then read Chapter 7, do the assignment, and then start into CAPSIM. So as we go through the course, we'll be building on what we've learned in either the activity prior or maybe the module prior, but everything is laid out to be built upon one another. So by the time we get way down here to Module 8, you should have a really great knowledge about what strategy means, how to use the strategic management process, and with that knowledge, you can easily finish up CAPSIM and evaluate other students who have done some work on the strategic management process. So that's probably enough. If you have questions on how the course works or how the course is laid out, feel free to email me.